Finally, a powerful alternative to gas mowers. Introducing the Twin Force mower from Greenworks. 40 pounds lighter than the average gas-powered mower, with two powerful G-Max 40-volt lithium-ion batteries that keep this mower running for over an hour on a single charge. Twin cutting blades provide a smooth, even cut and superior mulching. The Twin Force mower, part of the innovative family of Greenworks tools.
With Greenworks, life gets easier.
Ditch the cord and gas and cut the grass with MJ401C, the completely cordless counterpart of Sunjoe's best-selling MJ401E electric mower. Perfect for small to medium lawns, the eco-friendly battery-powered mower's durable steel blade cuts a crisp 14-inch wide path with precision in a single pass and features a convenient 3-position manual height control to quickly tailor your turf to just the right height. When you're ready, simply insert the key, press the safety switch, squeeze the trigger, and go. Collect the clippings with a 10.6-gallon bag and detach for quick and easy disposal. Plus, MJ401C is driven by a long-life, peak performance rechargeable 28-volt lithium-ion battery for the ultimate in cordless convenience. And when the workday is done, simply plug back in and power up. Blast past the limits of the extension cord with cordless power and performance. And go with Joe, the MJ401C 28-volt 14-inch cordless lawnmower from Sunjoe. Get equipped.
Introducing the new 40-volt Max lithium-ion cordless mower. Part of the 40-volt Max cordless family of lithium-ion battery-powered products from Black & Decker. These products kick gas. Our 40-volt Max cordless mower is battery-powered, has an easy start button, and is a smart, no-mess, no-hassle alternative to gas-powered lawnmowers. This cordless mower is sold with two 40-volt Max lithium-ion rechargeable batteries, which combined deliver up to 30 minutes of mowing. And the battery features a state of charge indicator. This mower is designed for cutting efficiency. Weighing only 38 pounds, the cordless mower is lightweight, compact, and easy to maneuver for great cutting results. The 16-inch deck is ideal for smaller yards, up to 1/8 of an acre. And the durable and lightweight cutting deck never rusts and is easy to clean. The soft fabric of the grass bag allows for easy checking by tapping the bag from the bottom to see if it is full. This mower features a cutting height range of 1 to 3 inches, and a handy single lever height adjustment raises all 4 wheels at the same time. For convenient storage, the mower's handles fold down over the mower, so it fits nicely in small spaces in sheds or garages. the 40 volt max lithium ion cordless mower from Black & Decker.